Well, you make such an investment nowadays into your tech items like your smartphone. These things are like over $1,000 now, my iPhone 10. And also AirPods. I love these things. These are my little earbuds that I use for listening to music. But these things are a couple $100s as well. Well, I've come across some cool stuff from Catalyst. You can see I've got my Catalyst case on my iPhone. They also have Catalyst cases for AirPods. So this is the Catalyst waterproof case for AirPods. This one's nice because not only does it give you some protection from dropping your AirPods, but it also is IP67 rated, so you get waterproof protection up to 3.3 feet. And you simply just kind of stick it into the rubber casing here, and once you've done that, you've protected your little AirPods. Down on the bottom here, you've got a little rubber slot you can take up to access the lightning port to charge it. And up top here, all you have to do to get at them is just kind of peel back the actual little rubber flaps to get access to the little AirPods. Super light, comes in 7 different colors. It's 5 grams. Again, the Catalyst waterproof case for AirPod. You can find out more information on this at catalystlifestyle.com.